So, welcome back. This week we're doing solve exponential equations using exponent properties. Last week we were doing the advanced version, now we're just doing the regular version. Alright, so I have 26 to the 9x plus 5. And then all of that is going to be equal to 1. So I have to figure out what's that magical exponent that will give me an answer of 1, but I can change the base to 26. So, in other words, I want 26 to be my base. I want the answer to be 1. What does that exponent have to be? It's going to be a 0. Okay? Then we're going to be using the log properties of, I'm using the log base to cancel out what I'm evaluating the log function at. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look at the previous videos on solving log equations and you'll see how we do this trick, but I guess I could just write it. So we're doing log 26, and then we're shimmying a log 26, and then these guys cancel out, leaving me with 9x plus 5 is equal to 0. And then you are going to solve it from here. Question number 2. We have 3 to the 3x minus 2. We have 9 to the 4x minus 1. I need to switch this 9 up to have a base a base that is equal to 3. Well, 3 squared gives me 9, and the base is 3. So let's change this up. 3 and then we're gonna go 3 squared. And what remains is that 4x minus 1 from the original problem. The only thing I've changed was the 9 is now 3 squared. So I'm going to distribute the 2. So we're going to keep this stuff over here. Boom, boom. And I'm looking at now 8x minus 2. Same thing, we're doing the log trick, which will cancel out the 3's. Boom, boom. And we're left with 3x minus 2 is equal to 8x minus 2. Alright, and then you guys will solve it from here. Alright, oh Lord, they're giving us fractions. We gotta freak out. Just kidding. We're gonna go boom, boom. And again, I need to get this fraction to have a base of 3 so I can use my log trick. Well, how do I make a base 3 when it started out as a fraction? We have to get into our negatives. I know that 3 to the third is going to give me 27. 3 to the negative. Yeah, 3 to the third is going to give me 27. So 3 to the negative third is going to give me 1 over 27. And I didn't change the color, gosh. Jiminy Biscuits, I didn't change the color. Let's go here. Okay, and then a negative 8. Boom, boom. Okay, so I'm going to switch that up. And now it's going to become a 3, 7 minus 2x. And this becomes a positive 24 because we're multiplying. We're going to apply the log trick, and we're going to be left with 7 minus 2x is equal to 24. Take it away. A little hint to you on this one, when you go to input your answer, the numerator has to be negative as opposed to the denominator. So we have to figure out how to get these bases the same. And there is a magical number that when it's in the exponent, it will give you an answer of 1 every single time. That is correct. That answer is 0. So I'm going to go 9/8 over here. 3x plus 12. And then I'm going to say also 9/8 raised to the 0. That's going to be equal to 1. I always forget to switch up the colors. Okay, I want to highlight what I'm doing that's different. Okay, so now we have the same base. We're going to apply the log trick. If you don't know the log trick, you got to watch the other videos. But we're doing log base 9/8 over here, log base 9/8 over here. These guys cancel out. Boom, boom. And so then we're just left with 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. And then you guys should be able to get that from there. That's going to do it for this week. Remember to like, subscribe, share with a friend, have a little math party with your buddies, and continue to be beautiful. Peace.